no kwa the stonebwoy just say why you be you've done everything just say dear yan bien wo say obey no why you need na dear asem so man for ekasa be social media is mainly and mostly about who entry no what an entry. For me now. Welcome to Insem Morgana. I have said the Insem no send it bia and I the bremo style bia yen febin shame yes why yen be in film ye de bro she now in that day it's not easy. Today we are talking about Stonebwoy. I'm sure you all know about Stonebwoy and they are not all trend the Ghana ha party. Stonebwoy is #1 on Twitter everywhere ain't no ye uniform cry ye and it is Stonebwoy ne concert I see last night no and no and I meba beka and ho asem esi wo stadium na nsema epie fi show na asene de che se enya asem kumani ni na ne se nkofo bi aye pain do say ade no e cause some way bi the way I almost expect say enko no ankosa as omo bon pai say ade nke flop but enya flop bi nti ase ebi mu e yo mo ya but still beam fan for say omo die. They are still being fans. And so mu goat ni de why no who goat no twi ni mu tan se den a ontimi enye. Everybody supporting their goat. We are asking the goats and the goats. And see we don't know who is the goat. We are still looking for the goats. So what I'm trying to say is what happened last night was epic. Trust me. Fifth dimension. Concert na see last night it was stadium it was everything to talk about show ne echo ye the performances was on point the stage setup no was on point just a lightning the sound no just a sound with you out to say yes and you know boy inside right I say into yes and no kwa the Stonebwoy just say why you be you've done everything just say dear yan bien wo say obey no why you need na dear asem so man for ekasa be social media is mainly and mostly about who entry no what an entry. Just say you do or I don't know who came up with this idea. Why the mouse idea but whoever did no enyamisha nipa because it was massive. Saying na ofi from back up was stage so it was everything to die for. Just say yeah you. Hey now Stonebwoy eba ofi ya na ofi stage mu and how did you pull that off? Like would you wash it? Oh, you did everything. And a lightning, no, just we did nothing on a lightning, no, not just say, oh God. And the little performance way also crowd was everything to talk about. So yes, Stonebwoy, why you be behind? I mean, sure when you would see me, it was massive. But after the show, no, and sema APP, you know, and I mean, people are saying that, why I did the why about 1 year, you do all, but you no do all. That is what people are saying on social media. Almost more expect to say at the end 360. Now can we try we see we try phone in near the say okoye 217 in kind of way fa. And I say okoye 118 in kind of way fa. Empty seat bebre wo and a Stonebwoy 1 year due and then need to go out to check free ticket so that people will come and fill the place up. But free ticket in nature kwa anko famba. It's 1 year dinner. Hey, Ghana focus sa in some Ghana and Painuntin and Metia may be mamu just nina listen. Whatever the cases, say omo fili yo, say ka one empty seat and I say a casino. The important thing is Stonebwoy dear. We should just come together and hail him. Why dear we say you're pushing in 93 minutes so the next one will be bigger than this. But of course, share small mistakes be a be now be projected and what are you trying to say? Person can say effort to know the two mono and are you trying to say it's a disadvantage was more than the advantage? Is that what you guys are trying to say? We should just project good performance now or put it up. No, what I say, the artists or the mobile ni now both opening acts, any main acts ni now omni na performing. You can see say they all came with the energy. Oh, because Sefoka na me feeling no Sefa ya dia pam and every other artist be a oba stage no so they nailed it. They came with their A game. It's no quan the Stonebwoy beam. Where they why they beam me. I say open say what me about fan. It's like I'm beginning to be a Stonebwoy fan. Bisan. Maybe Pena say oh I'm his fan, but Charlie. The year last night it was everything to talk about. So yes, and I set up no so the lightning, the sound, stage crafts, no, just say everything that happened, any the people that even came out to support him, no, because despite the fact that Nkofo say free tickets no doors no cramp, no, still is no easy because I mess sorry and I pay for me if you have Gina grounds atonyum SARS no na makofi late all for what if nipa no onye would die hard fan and nipa no onye sir, so you can even do a show and give free tickets and quiet free tickets and you not even get half of the people as Stonebwoy Nyayan. What I say, Ghana for you can do a free show and you still not put this number of crowd. So if Stonebwoy has been able to do a show that is not free, when I want to say be by free, but majority him say it was a paid show and I say paid event. Into to have a paid event, net wait me feel almost and I to me is filled because anyone the obeyna na why no and a dozen so it's not like the seats were more than in Kofona eba no empty seats no was not more than the people that were there. I Obeka say it was a disgrace and now the people that came were more than the empty seats now Nkofo show you around so it doesn't say anything, it doesn't count. So to me Stonebwoy FLE stage no oye bibia he did everything, the performances, the costume, the stage, the lightning, just say oh my boy, you call lightning keke crowd shakers and now I'm mean. What he has said, the lightning and everything, it was so much on point. Beam! Congratulations going out to you and your team. Media, I was expecting you to perform like this, and you nailed it. I won't say what perform was Shineman squad na debia omudiweche. But the fact that omuni now follow to the stadium, any other people need not just say you are laughed. Uye goat. I for pewas and for do into the oye na for peno. Keep doing it, keep giving it to us. Now negative hate na ewa bonti and for can they forget about it. Cause advantage any good comments no more than the negative one. So I think we need to we need to applaud him for what he did last night and everything. Free entrance, no, whatever the case is, supporting big ups to all of you that went out for him. You hope it's the next one, also any event to be a bano. And I say any event from any artist, not just the Shatawale and the Stonebwoy, but any artist, via Ghanaians should come out like this and give this amount of support to whoever is having a show. Because I suppose the artists for no more has say no the other ones na Charlie Ghana kebedu echiru and I promote Ghana names and sema eba na say bia new who promote na promoting ye na munja negative talks na mokano. What I say. So yes. So this is where I made it in Sem Ewa Ghana ABC. My name is Hawa Karim and yes, I brought you this. I'll be bringing you more trending stories. For now, it's